You were not born with a name, you were given one. You were not born with a country, you were told where you belonged. You were not born with enemies, they were assigned to you. From the moment we arrive, we are taught to divide, self from the other, us from them, right from wrong. But what if this separation isn't real? What if it's an illusion? We grow up inside walls we did not build. Flags, borders, beliefs, traditions, they tell us who we are and who we are not. You are this religion, not that one. This skin tone, not that one. This side of the river, not that side. But rivers shift, empires fall, languages evolve. The stories we inherit are not always truths. They are scaffolding, comfort, and sometimes cages. In nature, there is no separation. Roots talk to roots. Oceans breathe for forests. One species falls and another feels it. A star explodes millions of years ago, and we carry its iron in our blood. Even now, across this screen, my voice travels as particles and pulses, reaching you, who I've never met. We are connected not metaphorically, but materially. You are not alone in this world. You are the world, seeing itself from one angle, and yet we divide. We draw borders on maps and call them sacred. We raise walls and call them safety. We fear difference because we've been told it threatens who we are. But if your identity collapses the moment someone disagrees with it, how real was it to begin with? Belief should be a doorway, not a prison. Identity should be an anchor, not a weapon. The illusion of separation fuels everything we wish didn't exist. War, greed, inequality. The belief that they are not us allows harm. Every genocide began with one idea. They are different. But the blood always runs the same color. The grief always sounds the same. So what now? We cannot undo the stories, but we can question them. We can speak with humility, listen without judgment, and see each other, not as strangers, but as reflections. You are not just a nationality, not just a name, a skin tone, a history. You are a flicker of consciousness wrapped in skin, just like everyone else. And maybe the moment we see that is the moment we stop hurting each other. The world feels divided, but that is not how it began. And it doesn't have to be how it ends. The illusion of separation can only survive if we believe it, and belief can be questioned. We are not many things. We are one thing, seen in different mirrors. Don't fight the reflection. See through it, and remember what was always true. Before the names, before the flags, before the fear. We are not separate. We never were. For more videos where we ask deeper questions, where thought matters more than noise, and where understanding is valued over certainty, subscribe to Echoes of Reasoning. Let's remember what it means to think.